Choose materials that resist corrosion and mechanical stress when designing a septic system for a tiny house. For a tiny house septic system, prioritize piping and tanks that tolerate chemical exposure, abrasion, and movement. Use polyvinyl chloride or high-density polyethylene piping because both resist most septic effluent chemistry and tolerate slight ground movement. Run straight pulls and use electrofusion or solvent weld joints per manufacturer guidance to minimize leaks. For tanks, consider stainless steel with appropriate grade selection or fiberglass reinforced polymer tanks, since concrete is prone to cracking under uneven loads and steel without protection will corrode quickly. Ensure tanks are bedded on uniform compacted fill and include structural skirts or pads to distribute loads. Choose corrosion-resistant fittings and anchors such as stainless fasteners or polymer-coated hardware, and avoid mixed metal contacts that create galvanic corrosion by using dielectric isolators or uniform materials at junctions. For pumps and control equipment, place them in ultraviolet stable enclosures and select marine-grade wiring and connectors to prevent insulation breakdown. Mount pumps on vibration isolators and ensure access risers have gasketed seals to prevent leaks and root intrusion. When selecting risers, prefer gasketed models with bolted lids and flexible couplings to allow settlement without stressing the main connections. The most common mistake is using incompatible metals that create galvanic corrosion, which leads to rapid failure. Prevent that by standardizing material families or using insulating fittings. Another frequent issue is undersizing or poorly bedding tanks so differential settlement cracks or misaligns connections. Address that by designing load distribution pads and following soil-bearing capacity guidance and localized compaction testing. People also install non-ultraviolet stable housings or leave electrical connections exposed, which causes premature failures from sun and moisture. Fix this by choosing UV-rated enclosures, marine-grade cabling, and by routing cords through conduit with proper strain relief. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on small system installations and compare materials and approaches with community feedback. We also help contractors find jobs and discuss techniques in our active discussion community, where we share practical experience and project photos.